Hello, today I want to share with you this peach drift rose that I just received in the mail. I am very impressed with how it was packaged. I was concerned about that, but as you can see, it was packaged up very well. This peach drift is supposed to be a very low growing, almost like a ground cover rose bush. I've seen these locally around town and I think they are just absolutely stunning and beautiful. This one has plenty of green foliage already growing on it. I can tell inside this bag it is kept moist, but I will be planting this today. That way it doesn't lag any longer than necessary on getting all the nutrients and everything that it needs. Along with the rose bush, I received this little pamphlet by Perfect Plants and a little bag of fertilizer. This is a slow release fertilizer. 1868 is what it is that is included with this rose bush. In this pamphlet that it came with, it also shows instructions to give this rose bush its best chance at life. So follow along as I get this planted up and on its way to a healthy, wonderful life here at my house. Here is the plant out of the bag. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape for something that's been in the mail. Here's the rose bush after a month of being planted. It has definitely grown double, maybe even tripled in size at this point, and has several blooms on it with more blooms on the way. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.